up, YouTube? I'm here with a quick review slash unboxing of the Springfield Armory's Hellion. It is the Gear Up bundle. PSA has them currently on sale for just under $1,800 for the green one and just under $1,700 for the gray one. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, it comes with a Crossfire red dot optic from Vortex. Definitely a good one. I'll be putting it on one of my rifles, I'm sure. Caldwell single point tactical sling. Haven't heard much about them, but I'm sure I'll use it for something. A QD sling swivel from UTG. Two 30-round magazines. Can never have too many magazines. A lock that has the Springfield Armory logo on it. It's kind of cool. Go ahead and open it up and see what else comes inside. So we get the Gear Up bundle voucher. It's a $200 voucher. That's pretty cool as well. You can always use that. And then the pamphlet and booklet with all the information on it. Comes with a cool little Springfield Armory sticker. It's pretty cool as well. And then here is the weapon. So I got it in the green color. It's probably one of my favorite colors that I've seen in them. It is a 16-inch barrel. It has ambidextrous safety selector, ambidextrous charge handle. It's a completely ambidextrous weapon. You can shoot it left-handed or right-handed. Has flip-up pop sights. I think that's pretty cool. I believe it has a AR pistol style grip. I think that's the only thing that's interchangeable on it. I did hear that the trigger is not the best on these, so I'm going to go ahead and put some shooting videos up, and you guys let me know what you guys think.
Very comfortable and has little to no recoil. I was honestly impressed with the trigger. I thought it shot very well and quickly. As you can see, the pop-up sights are great and very accurate for what they are.
Overall, I'm very satisfied with this rifle, and it has become one of my favorites in my collection.